Hello my beautiful angels. So in today's video I am going to be playing with these 5 pigments. I recently uploaded a video. It was my AliExpress and Amazon haul. I think there was 20 of them. Yeah, 20 of these pigments. So I've just picked out these 5. So there's this beautiful shimmery purple, this yellow, they're all shimmery, beautiful pink, this teal, and this like dark grey. So what I'm going to be doing is mixing them with acrylics, and I will do some swatches. So let me move these out of the way. I went into the range and I bought these little stack pot things and they didn't have any left, so I've been searching the shops, couldn't find anything. Let me adjust this. So I bought these square jars, 200ml. They are a little bit too big, but that's all I could find, and it was £5 for 12 jars. So that is what I'm dealing with today. So they're pretty big, but when I find or when they bring them back in stock, what's the shop called, the range, then I'll just transfer them back into, well, I'll transfer them into them. So in the meantime, I'm just going to be using these. So they are a bit big, but it is what it is. So, and it comes with this metal lid. So I have my nails, I can never get that right, nails crystal clear acrylic powder. I also have the white, but I've just depotted it. Got my spoon. This is 1 teaspoon, which is 5ml. Got my brush. Oh, I need some monomer. Got my little damping dish. Where's my monomer? Here. Max Adhesion. So I'll pour a little into that. Okay, let me move this out of the way first. Right. So I will take three of the crystal clear. You can see in there, it's not much, but okay, I'll start with the light colour first. So I'll do the yellow. Oh, let me get some of my white. Okay, I'll take maybe a quarter of, is that quarter? It's about a quarter. And then I will take a quarter of the pigment. Put my lid on because you know I'm going to spill it. Okay, let me put the lid on that. Give it a little mix. Okay, so I'm just going to basically do the same with all of the other ones. Let me wipe off my spoon. So, do you know what? To save time, I'm just going to do it like this. I'll do that all at the same time because I'll be here for hours. So I'll do 3. Three in each. Okay, got myself another empty pot. And then I'll do a quarter of the white. In there, put my lid back on. Just put another camera. Okay. So I'll just put a quarter of the pink in that one. The purple in here. The teal. Oh shit. I've got it all over me now. And then this grey. Okay. So put the lids on. Give them a shake. Move them a bit. There's the yellow. Okay, so I've got my swatchy sticks. Move these. So I'll start off with the yellow. don't know why, but I feel very nervous. So there's the yellow. I'll do the pink. Oh, I need to mix this one a little bit more. That's better. Yeah, I think I've added a bit too much of the white on this one. So I'm going to add some more. See, it's quite light. Okay, let me see if I can get this up quick. So I'm just I think I've just ruined it. It's okay. Oh gosh. Yeah, it looks a bit better. Yeah, I don't think I should have added the white. Because it's not as dark. It's not as dark as what it is in the jar. But this one's beautiful. It's got like little flecks of purple, like purple shimmer in it. See, difference in the colour. So I shouldn't have added the white, but it's still a beautiful colour. Now the purple. Yeah, this is more of a lilac. I think I shouldn't have added the the white. But that's okay. At least I know for next time. That's still beautiful. Okay, now I'll do the teal. Oh, this is beautiful. That's really, really beautiful. I love that one. And then lastly this, like, I don't know, gunmetal grey. That's really pretty. I like that one. So they're the colours that I've done. You put the lid on there. Okay, so here's the yellow. Which originally was that. Then the pink, which is this one. The purple. And the teal. This is really beautiful. And then the gunmetal. Beautiful. So that is for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Can't wait to start playing around with these on my nails. Anyway guys, thank you all so much for watching, and you will see me on my next video. Take care and have a lovely day. Bye.